Here's a first look at Huawei's latest performance laptop, the MateBook X Pro 2020. The X Pro is the flagship of the MateBook series. It's a powerful machine for work, play, and entertainment. This laptop sports a sleek, space gray color accented by a Huawei logo in the middle of the lid. The X Pro is highly portable at just 14.6mm thin. It's also portable to carry around as it tips the scales at only 1.33 kilograms. One of the new compromises this slim machine makes is with its ports. The laptop only has a total of 4 connectivity ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, 2 USB Type-C ports, and a single USB Type-A port. You'll be needing adapters to connect HDMI or display cables. The X Pro features a 13.9-inch display with a 3000 by 2000 resolution. The 3K display provides users with a massive view thanks to the minimal bezels on the sides of the screen. This vivid display also doubles as a touchscreen, making it easy for users to swipe, tap, and zoom. You'll notice that there's no webcam on the top bezel of the X Pro. Instead, the webcam is found in the chiclet keyboard, neatly hidden between function keys. You can just press it on to pop it out when you need to make video calls. Another big update the X Pro boasts is the 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce MX250 graphics. This gives the laptop power for multitasking, image processing, and smoother gaming. Logging into the laptop is also a breeze thanks to the Fingerprint Scanner on the power button. The X Pro can handle a day's worth of work before needing a charge. However, it can take up to 3 hours to charge the laptop with the 65-watt USB-C charger that comes with it. The Huawei MateBook X Pro is available on Shopee and Lazada for 119,990 pesos.